You know how most people, when they feel mad or anxious, want to move away from that feeling? What I do in coaching and therapy with you is I teach you to move toward that feeling safely. So you and I together will be looking for those hot spots, if you will, and moving towards them, helping you to be able to ask for what you want inside of a highly emotional moment. It's the hardest thing to do. But together, we're going to practice that. So in that regard, my sessions are live. They're experiential, they're in the moment. We're not talking about life, we're getting a good dose of living it. I remember one particular client, a successful, holistic practitioner who was in the middle of a transition. Had had some loss, was relocating, and was not attracting the kind of relationship she wanted, and really not running her business the way she wanted and the way she knew was possible. What I did with her was I helped her see parts of her that were lying dormant, if you will, that were waiting to be recognized. And once we unlocked them, she was almost unrecognizable. She started dressing differently. She immediately attracted someone in her life who could help her practice some of the things she was learning. And we ultimately wrapped up our sessions with an enormous sense of accomplishment. And to this day, she still writes me and says thank you again, and has referred people to do similar work. A lot of therapists will tell you there's something wrong with you. You're broken. I start from a different premise, and that is that you're whole, that you're competent, you're able, and in fact, you have a greatness in you. All I really do is remind you of that thing. I hold that knowledge until you remember it too. And I teach you to trust it. Then we work on tools so that you can live life from that place of believing in your wholeness, of actually finding your greatness. That's the way I work.